Logirians, welcome to Logiri. I hope you have subscribed to Logiri's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification on so that you do not miss any of our videos, and also make sure that you're following us on Instagram. आज हम बात करेंगे that how you should analyze your mock tests and mistakes people make while or after attempting mock tests. Let's get into the video. Mistake number 1, not attempting the mock tests at all, waiting for the syllabus to get completed. Like they wait for the syllabus to get completed and the syllabus never gets completed and they do not attempt mock tests, which is one of the biggest mistakes that most of you would commit, right? Instead, if you think that instead of waiting for the syllabus to get over, you can instead go for sectional tests. That if you're done with your legal aptitude, you can start taking tests for legal aptitude. If you're done with English, you can start taking tests for English, and eventually when your two subjects are done, you can move on to full length mock tests. Right now, why full length mock tests are important? Because they would also tell you that in which topic you don't need to put in much of work because you are able to solve it even without going through it, right? So full length mock tests and sectional mock tests are important, and they would make you learn a lot about yourself and your preparation, which you otherwise won't get to know. Mistake number 2 is while you are taking your test. What are the mistakes that you commit? Now, the number one mistake that most of you might be committing is that you won't be allotting yourself the real time, the proper time. For example, if in the exam you're giving 2 hours, even in the actual mock test that you attempt, you have to treat it like an actual exam. You have to give yourself 2 hours to attempt that exam. You don't need to check answers while you're attempting the test just to see that whether it was right or wrong. Attempt the entire mock test at once and then see whether you what went wrong and what went right. Not sitting at a proper silent place while taking the test. बता दो सबको घर पे that yes, I am taking a test, please don't make noise, and attempt it as if it is a proper test. And once you start attempting mock tests, people around in your place would also know that okay, he or she is doing something serious, so we don't have to make noise. Using phone while attempting the test, that is one of the biggest mistake that you do. You don't need to keep anything with you which you cannot keep in during the exam. Okay, so that kind of mock test you have to give to do allot a particular amount of time to yourself, work on speed and accuracy. Now if you are not able to complete the paper in 2 hours, मान लीजिए आपने mock test attempt किया and you were not able to complete it in 2 hours, mark the question which you attempt after the extra time. You can give it et लिखते जाओ उन questions पे, so that you can analyze how many marks you would have scored if it was within 2 hours the paper, whereas extra time how many questions went right. And then you would also know that how can you work on your speed and accuracy, how much you need to work. Now you will say, how can I build a speed wherein I can read so much which is there in the law entrance exams these days? The more you practice, the better you get at it. The more you practice, your speed would increase, your reading speed would increase, your understanding speed would increase. There would be tricks and tips here and there that you will find. And now keep clock to keep a check and practice how to allot time and keep checking the clock while attempting the paper. Now what you have to do is you have to mark that okay, this particular section should take this much of time, this one this much. Now normally people come to me and say, how would we decide, how should we decide? Obviously if you have given mock test, you will know. You know what you should do? You should do trials, you should perform practicals wherein you say okay fine, I'll try to attempt this section first, this one afterwards, and see that kaun sa situation better ja raha hai. If I attempt this section first within this much time, what is going good, right? Accordingly you decide. Okay, try to use the same watch that you're going to carry to the test center. So number 3, after mock test, getting depressed about this course. Now you attempted the test because you want to learn. What do you want to learn? That which are your weak topics, which are your strong topics. ठीक है, मुझे किन किन टॉपिक्स पे काम करना है, किन पे नहीं. ठीक है, मेरा टाइम, स्पीड और एक्यूरेसी कैसा चल रहा है ये देखने के लिए. स्कोर, ओके, यू हैव टू सी, बट देयर इज अ लॉट मोर टू अ मॉक टेस्ट विच यू शुड नॉट ignore, and asking others about their mock test scores, that oh, my friend scored the same mock test she took and she scored this much, I scored this much. No, it's not the real exam. But if you analyze it better than her, I can guarantee you that your next score is going to be much better than what it is today. ठीक है. Aim is to know what is wrong and to correct it. You need to know where your prep is going and is it going in the right direction or not, and the number of mock tests you take, the better it would be. सेक्शन वाइज एनालिसिस, आपने सिर्फ टोटल स्कोर नहीं देख लेना है, आपने सेक्शन वाइज एनालिसिस भी करना है, आपने सेक्शन वाइज स्कोर भी देखना है. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, आपने ये देखना है कि आपने एक्स्ट्रा टाइम में कितने क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करे और कितना सही हुआ आपका, और कितना रियल टाइम में आपने अटेम्प्ट किया, मतलब जितना एक्चुअल टाइम आपको लेना चाहिए था उतने में कितने क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट हुए और आपका क्या स्कोर था, राइट. एंड देन यू हैव टू सी हाई और लो स्कोर. आपने ये देखना है कि ओके फाइन, इन दिस सेक्शन आई नॉर्मली score good, और आज भी मैंने अच्छा स्कोर किया, but in this particular section which I used to score less, I scored well. What is the reason? What is that I have actually improved in this section, or the questions were very easy, or what is the situation? So you need to analyze both the high or low score. ये नहीं that you sit down as depressed person. Maybe you know the degree of questions in the entire mock test was so high so that you were not able to score well. Both things ought to be analyzed equally. Topic wise analysis, not only section. आपने section का score देख लिया, अब उसमें देखो कि कौन से topics हैं which went right, कौन से topics which went wrong. Topics you haven't done but you were able to attempt, that's a good thing. Topics you have done but you weren't able to attempt, that's a bad thing. So you need to work on those topics. It means which topics are taking less time, which topics are taking more time, so that you can analyze. अच्छा ठीक है, अगर ये वाला आता है तो this is a quicker thing, I can do it very quickly, so that you can look at time also, that this section takes very less time, so I would attempt this question first. अगर मैं ये दो questions पहले attempt कर देती हूँ तो I'll feel relieved that okay, I'm done with 2 sections, only these sections are left. Or if I do this section first, I get relieved. So that is what you need to analyze. You also need to see that which are your weak topics and which are your strong topics, so that accordingly you can plan कि तुम्हें topics कौन से करने हैं. अप्लाई डिफरेंट स्ट्रैटेजीज वाइल अटेम्प्टिंग मॉक्स. देखिए, जब आप मॉक अटेम्प्ट करते हैं, मैं बार बार बोलती हूँ कि डिफरेंट स्ट्रैटेजीज अप्लाई करिए. जैसे अटेम्प्ट डिफरेंट सेक्शंस इन डिफरेंट ऑर्डर, सी व्हाट वर्क्स, सी हाउ यू कैन बेस्ट हैंडल नेगेटिव मार्किंग. Again, you learn when you know there are people, what they'll do, they will keep on seeing, you know, they'll attempt some of the questions and then they'll count कि हमारा कितना score बन रहा है, right? So attempting short questions first could be your strategy, counting how many you have attempted, then going for 50-50 strategy. See how you can utilize the time at its best. Handle exam fear anxiety if you experience it while attempting mocks. Now we have done a very detailed video on how to handle exam fear. Now if you know that you get that fear and fear leads to a lot many mistakes, instead of benefiting it, it just leads to mistakes and nothing else. You need to work on that also. So apply different strategies. सबसे पहले देखो कि तुमने डिसाइड करके जाना है कौन सा सेक्शन मुझे पहले कितने टाइम में अटेम्प्ट करना है, मुझे नेगेटिव मार्किंग कैसे हैंडल करनी है, मुझे कितना स्कोर एम करना है. ठीक है ना, ये सब कुछ प्लान करके जाओगे. जो बच्चे एग्जाम क्लियर करते हैं वो ऐसे ही नहीं क्लियर करते, दे प्लान ऑल दिस, दे नो दिस देयर स्ट्रैटेजी, और वो एग्जाम में देखते हैं कि ओके फाइन, इतने क्वेश्चंस मेरे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं तो मेरा इतना स्कोर हो गया. अब अगर आई डू द गेस वर्क एंड इवन इफ इट गोज रॉन्ग, सो दिस गोज अवे, बट इट एड्स these many. Now how can you be a pro at it? The more you practice, the better you get. Tips. Now note down weak topics and work on them, right? When you are analyzing, even in my timetable video I've told you again and again that एक section बनाओ mocks का, जिसके अंदर तुम्हारी mocks की सारी कहानी आए. Wherever you are attempting mocks, at your institute, by yourself, you get hold of a paper online, you want to attempt that, you analyze it, make a note of it, note down weak topics and work on them. ठीक है ना, तुम्हारे लिए this is a very important topic but it is weak, so you work on it, right? If a topic is important and it is weak, create a foundation and practice. Stage 1 पे आ जाओ. Stage 1 मतलब wherein you have to read the explanation, the theory part, and then you have to understand and you have to practice, so that your weak topics are strong. Okay, they are no more weak. Now note down one thing that you were able to learn and any mistake, any strategy that you were able to build. ठीक है ना, अब तुम्हें पता चल गया, अच्छा यार ठीक है, ये वाले sections में ना तो अगर मैं ऐसे कर रही हूँ तो बहुत बढ़िया attempt हो रहा है. नेगेटिव मार्किंग की मेरी अटेम्प्टेशन ऐसा होना चाहिए, मुझे ऐसा करना चाहिए. So all these strategies need to be written so that you do not forget and you are creating your own guide for yourself. Okay. Handling fear and anxiety. Now if you get into that fear and anxious situation, you need to talk to yourself and you need to tell yourself that okay, I've analyzed the mock tests and अब मैं क्या करूँगी, अब मैं वीक टॉपिक्स पे वर्क करूँगी, अब मैं देखूँगी कि मैं अपना स्कोर बेटर कैसे कर सकती हूँ, मैं वो एनालाइज करूँगी, देखूँगी कि मैंने ये टॉपिक जो है ये किया था और ये स्ट्रॉन्ग क्यों नहीं हो रहा है। मैं स्टेज 1 पे जाऊँगी जहाँ पे मैं दोबारा फाउंडेशन ले करूँगी। एंड वी हैव डन अ कंप्लीट वीडियो ऑन हाउ टू हैंडल एग्जाम फियर विच टॉक्स अबाउट एंग्जाइटी एंड फियर, सो दैट यू कैन वॉच एंड दैट वुड बी रियली हेल्पफुल टू यू। सो मॉक्स अटेम्प्ट करना है और डरना नहीं है। हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी कीजिएगा। चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर देना ताकि जब भी मैं एक न्यू वीडियो डालूँ आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिले और जो हम एक्टिविटीज़ कर रहे हैं लॉगिरी पे उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिले तो हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज़रूर ज्वाइन करिएगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके नीचे बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी ताकि मैं और ऐसी वीडियोस बना सकूं जो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हेल्प कर सके। आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पे मैं @IAMLogiri के नाम से हूँ, वहाँ पे आप फॉलो कीजिए क्योंकि वहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल डिफरेंट कंटेंट डाल रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि मैं आपको वीकली न्यूज़ लेटर भेजूँ जिसके अंदर मैं लॉ के बारे में और भी अच्छे से बात करती हूँ। तो प्लीज़ अपनी ईमेल आईडी नीचे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक है, वहाँ पे जाके अपना ईमेल आईडी ड्रॉप कर दीजिए ताकि जब भी मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँ आपको ईमेल पहुँच जाए और आप वो देख सकें। वो मैं यूट्यूब चैनल पे नहीं डालती हूँ, वो सिर्फ मेरे जिन्होंने न्यूज़ लेटर सब्सक्राइब करा हुआ है उनको भेजती हूँ। आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं जल्द, बाय।